guys, so I just made it to Walmart and I'm currently in the women's clothing section. So I'm gonna challenge myself to find a couple outfits here at Walmart. I don't know the last time I purchased actual clothes from here, so this will be a bit of a challenge, but I am excited to take the challenge on because I feel like, you know, Walmart's cheap, it's accessible, but if you need like, you know, quick outfits on the go, or like if you're going on vacation, or just need like something, just like a quick fix, I'm gonna show you guys, or hopefully show you guys that Walmart's place. So, okay, so first thing that caught my eye so far are these maroon jogging pants, and I like this color. Okay, so I did also find a matching maroon top. Same color as the pants. So here's the pants on here, and here's the top. And I think this would be cute if I tied it up in a knot in the front. And I don't have like any all white sneakers, but I'm thinking if I could find like some, because I know they have like cheap shoes here in Walmart also. So I'm gonna try to find like some cute little like white, you know, kid style sneakers, and then just have that, the pants and the tops. Okay, no lie y'all, this is a lot harder than it looks, but I'm determined to find something. Here's my tie-dye tops. I would never do those. Still not really, I don't know, this is so much harder, you guys. Well, here's a cute little swimsuit cover up. Not that I could actually wear this in public, but, and it's a size extra large, so I can't really fit it, but it's still cute nonetheless. Okay, so in the denim, oh my gosh, okay. The style of these clothes are kind of, maybe I need to get more to the junior section, because I feel like this stuff is more older women, or the style is more for older women. So here's a blazer I found at Walmart, and this is $24.94, and it's by the brand Time and True. And this definitely caught my eye because you guys know I love a good blazer, and I feel like it'd be even cuter with a belt around it. You know, girlfriend, tie-dye isn't quite my style. Do you like this shirt?
No.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of tie-dye personally. It's just not my taste in clothing. They also have cute little trousers, like these little green ones here are super cute, and they are again by the brand Time and True, and they're skinny mid-rise fitted jeans. Okay, no lie, even though it's Walmart, I feel like these prices, I feel like Walmart's prices have gone up since I was like a kid. Granted, I haven't shopped around here in a while, but these prices are darn near the same prices like at H&M. You might as well gonna go there, but again, it's all for the challenge, you guys. Okay, here are size 4, just a pair of khaki shorts, but I'm not, I may throw them in the basket and see if I can find anything else to go with them. I think like the olive one's better, and these are on sale for $9. So I'm gonna get these instead. And bring this in there. Thank you. What's up guys, it's Kyra and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to challenge myself to see if I could find outfits from none other than Walmart, you guys. Walmart. Honestly, I don't think I've shopped for clothes in Walmart and since I was a kid, probably. It's been forever. The only thing I purchased from there recently has been like a random, you know, like basic tank tops and basic crew necks, or like workout shorts, or even like pajamas. But as far as actual clothes goes, I have not shopped at Walmart in forever. But I wanted to go ahead and, you know, try to challenge myself and see if I can find stuff to wear from there. And you guys know Walmart isn't your typical high quality, you know, long lasting type of, you know, clothing, or they don't offer that kind of clothing. So for me, in my opinion, Walmart would be, at least for me, it would be more so like a quick fix. Like if I was ever, you know, in a rush, like if I ever needed just like an outfit for like one day or like one type of event, or, you know, just something that's just really quick and easy to go to, that's why I would go to Walmart. Gotta kind of, you know, go through the stuff that I found, and of course insert the clips of how I'd style it, and show you guys that it honestly does not matter where you shop at or how much you spend. You know, it's all about your personal taste and basically putting together stuff that you would never think to put together and creating, you know, new looks. So, okay, so first up is actually a duo that I randomly found when I was walking around, and it's a duo that I probably would have never guessed that I would find in Walmart, and so I'm pretty sure if I were to wear it out, no one would ever guess that it was from Walmart. So it is this black, white, and red pinstripe blazer. It's super cute. I got the jacket in a size small, and I got the matching pants here in a size extra small. So the pants are just regular plain straight leg trousers. It does have a zipper in the back, and the pants were $15.94. They're from the brand Time and True, and it says they're skinny mid-rise fitted stretch pants. And the jacket looks like this. So it's just a plain blazer. I love the colors. I love the print. Now the jacket, however, was a bit pricier. The jacket was $24.94, and it is a semi-fitted blazer. So a little bit pricey for Walmart, but it's still super cute. And the sleeves are about 3/4 length, so they'll come up to about my elbows. And I also noticed randomly that for some reason, the pants are actually a smidget off in color. You guys see that? The pants have more of a tan color to it as opposed to white. But I feel like from far away, you can't really tell. Very, very cute and stylish. Something I would definitely pick up even if I weren't at Walmart. If I were like, you know, a Zara or whatever, this would definitely catch my eyes. And I feel like you could really, really style it out. And of course, look bougie, but on a budget. Okay, so aside from that outfit, the only other non-casual outfit I found is also a pair of pants from that same brand, Time and True. And these are really, really, really pretty. Almost like a jade green pair of pants. They're super pretty. This, the color itself caught my eye, and I feel like this is like the perfect color for fall. And I got these in a size 4. Hopefully they'll fit. They are skinny mid-rise fitted stretch jeans, and these jeans here were $13.94. And I feel like this is just a pair of pants that you should just, you know, have in your wardrobe. Honestly, multiple colors, because I feel like a nice pair of trousers is a staple. You can dress them up or even dress them down with a pair of kicks and, you know, a graphic tee. Okay, so that is basically it for my dressier pieces. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. Finding nice dressy clothes in Walmart is extremely difficult. So that's all I really got. Everything else is more so casual. So first up is one I really, really like. I saw these pair of maroon jogger pants and I was like, oh, I have to have those. Simple maroon joggers. It has a white stripe on both sides. And actually the front of the pants actually have a pleat that goes all the way down along the front of the pant. And the pants were $14.96. And then I also found like this matching top to go with it. The exact same color. So the shirt is actually $5.84. It's a muscle tank, but I thought this would be super cute for like travel. And I thought that this would be really nice to tie up in a knot at the top or in the front, and then pair, you know, the knotted tank with the jogger pants and also a pair of plain white kicks. So I went ahead and picked up these pair of white head style sneakers. They're very, very simple. They're only $6, you guys. Again, a pair of basic all white sneakers. And I thought that these would look really cute with the jogger pants because they do have the white stripe. Okay, so next up we have another super casual outfit, you guys. It's just a plain graphic tee and some khaki shorts. So I found these tan khaki shorts. They are a size 4, so hopefully they'll fit. And these shorts here were $10. They're $9.86 to be exact. Short, mid-rise, relaxed fit shorts. And so I got these, and I also just picked up this random Black Panther random Black Panther graphic tee in the men's section. So I did definitely go to both the women's and the men's section because I feel like I can pull off men's clothes. Like I mean, of course I just get like the smallest size. So this is a size small in men's, but you guys know every now and then I do like an oversized fit. So I thought that this graphic tee would be really cute with like the sleeves rolled up, you know, tucked into the shorts, and then maybe paired with like a really nice belt, like a cute hat or whatever, and just gonna have a really nice casual, you know, outfit for either traveling, for, you know, just shopping day, just kind of like, you know, chilling or hanging around town. Perfect travel fit on the go. Okay, next up from the men's section is going to be a pair of jogger pants. Now, I got these pair of khaki, it's not even really khaki, it's more of like a yellow almost, really. So just a pair of yellow tinted jogger pants. They're more of like that cargo style, and got these in a size small. They're a size 28-30, and again from the men's section, and these were $14.88. So I thought these should fit. I actually do own other pair of men's jogger pants, and I love the way they fit. I love that loose kind of baggy style every now and then. So I thought that this paired like a really nice tank, or, you know, just like a really nice graphic tee would be really, really cute for traveling or whatever else, and would just look really, really, really cute. So here they are. So I also found this mustard colored sweater from the men's section. This is a size large. It's a 42-44, and I got it in large because I do plan on wearing it more so as a sweater dress. Just a really simple sweater dress I could rock with, you know, a pair of boots, a pair of heels even, you know, a scarf, you know, a cap or whatever, and just like make it work. So I feel like this is like, honestly, I love, love, love sweater dresses in the fall. You can't have enough of them. And then the last find that I found was just plain mauve or like pinky toned scoop neck. I got this in a size small and it was $3.88, so just a plain basic top. Honestly, I want to get these in all colors, but again, the struggle of finding the small is real. I don't know why smalls are just, I guess they're in high demand, I don't know, but I wanted to get this in like white, black, olive. They had a bunch of tones, but I just went ahead and tried this out now. I really like the material of it. It's not ribbed or anything like that, which I like. It's just a plain, you know, simple, fine tank. And I feel like this is the kind of tank that can be worn with jeans, with trousers, under a blazer, like a really simple, classic, basic tee or tank to have that can be worn multiple ways. That is it, you guys. Those are all my picks from Walmart. I'm not gonna lie, finding clothes in Walmart is a lot more difficult than I expected it to be. But I think I find some really cool stuff that I honestly wouldn't really search for or look for in other stores, which I really like, because I feel like whenever you're kind of struggling to find stuff, that's when you start to get more and more creative. And I feel like I got really creative with these looks and with these pieces. And I feel like I did a pretty darn good job, you know, working with what I had. So hope you guys enjoyed my Bougie on a Budget Walmart edition and like the looks that I put together. And I honestly hope that you guys were actually surprised by what I found and picked out. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And last but not least, go ahead and leave me some suggestions down below with what store you want me to do next, whether it's Target. I think I want to do like a Target, an Old Navy, maybe a TJ Maxx. I don't know, you guys. Let me know what you want me to do next for my Bougie on a Budget, and I will do my best to do it for you guys. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.